khi tân tổ được nhớ tràn được nhớ
từ radio time,
khi tân tổ được nhớ tràn được nhớ
từ radio time.
And welcome to week 21 of Radio Cave. We hope you enjoy your half term.
Okay, so we are back to normal this week here on Radio Cove with all our usual features, such as our mystery song, where we play out 5 different songs and you have to guess which song they are. We got our birthdays with Oshan, and we also got Guess a Year, but this time we are telling you facts about the year of when the song came out. Also, Oshan has a surprise on the birthdays this week, and you have to tell what the surprise is. Also, we got Ethan with his Great American Railway Journeys. That is a new feature. Well, Ethan is going to tell you about what American Journeys is. Also, we got news and sports with Ethan, Max and Peter. Also, we got Corey playing a song on the piano this week. And we also got our interview. This week's special guest here on Radio Cave is Mrs. Lowry Carlisle from Canrefshire.
Let's start off with Just Like the Eddie by Hines.
Oh, Hines Beans, go on. Or just Hines the artist.
Just the artist.
Oh.
Troubles are heavy. Beneath the stars I play my guitar, just like Eddie. Now troubles may come and troubles may go, but they'll always find me ready. Upon a hill, a playing still, just like Eddie. Whenever you're sad, whenever you're blue, whenever your troubles are heavy, beneath the stars you play your guitars, just like Eddie. But they'll always find me ready upon the hill, a playing still, just like Eddie. So whenever you're sad, whenever you're blue, whenever your troubles are heavy, beneath the stars you play your guitars, just like Eddie.
Starting us off this week here on Radio Cave was Just Like Eddie by Hines. Now here's our mystery song feature. This is a feature where we play out 5 different songs and you have to guess which songs they are.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery voice. Mystery voice.
Here's our first song for this week.
Song number 2 for this week.
Song number 3 for this week.
Say it loud. The bigger the headache, the bigger the pill. The bigger the doctor, the bigger the bill. Say it loud.
Number 4.
in my sleep from the mountains of fame to the river so deep.
Song number 5 this week.
I've had about enough. I need your help.
We hope you got all the sound effects. Now we got getting a bit more model with the next song from George Ezra. The album Day Not Tomorrow with Don't Matter Now from 2018.
Sometimes you need to be alone. It don't matter now. Shut the door, unplug the phone. It don't matter now. Speaking a language they don't know. It don't matter now. Well, I don't think about that stuff. No, I don't think about that stuff. It don't matter now. Castle out to sing. It don't matter now. Well, it won't last and it won't stand. It don't matter now. But with a suitcase in your hand. It don't matter. Well, I don't think about that stuff. No, I don't think about that stuff. It don't matter now. Running your hometown, surf your way on through the crowd. It don't matter now. Change your name, you won't be found. It don't matter. Well, I don't think about that stuff. No, I don't think about that stuff. It don't matter now. It don't matter now. It don't matter now. It don't matter now.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Last song was Don't Matter Now by George Ezra. Now we got the birthday. And I will tell you the answer of the birthdays after the birthday. Number 1 is the rock singer, and he is 63 years old. He lives in Perth Amboy, and he's singer, songwriter, musician and actor, best known as the lead vocalist of a rock band. In 2009, he was inducted into the Songwriter Hall of Fame, and one of his most popular hits are Living on a Prayer, It's My Life, and also And Bed of Rose. He also released 2 solo albums titled Blades of Glory and Destination Anywhere. He skipped school to record... Hold on, skipping school, are we? Record music with his cousin Tony Bongrovi at Power Station. He went to work as a janitor at that same studio until he had his big break. As an actor, he's starred in more than 10 movies, including Pay It Forward and New Year's Eve. He also appeared on the 10th episode of the TV series Ally McBeal in 2006. He won a Grammy for Best Country Collaboration with vocalist for this song, Who Says You Can't Go Home. His real name is, can't say that until later. His mother is former Playboy Bunny who became a florist, and his father was former Marion. He has two brothers, Anthony and Matthew. He got married to Dorothy Hurley on April the 29th, in now 89. And they had 4 children together, Stephanie, Jake and Romeo. In 1997, he started in the short film Destination Anywhere, inspired by his album of the same name, alongside Demi Moore, Kevin Bacon and Whoopi Goldberg. And he's formed in 1983 by singer and keyboardist David Bryan, drummer Chico Toro, bassist Alex John, such as guitarist Richie Sambora. The band debuted its self-titled album in January 1984. In the 40-plus years since, has come in place in musical history. Now it is number 2 for this week. He is pop singer and he is 37 years old. He lives in Middlesbrough, England, in the UK. He is a pop singer best known for winning season 9 of the UK competition show The X Factor. He realised his debut single Impossible shortly after. He was the leader for musical band Reject. He started writing music for artists when he was 15 years old. He won a BRIT Award for his hit single Impossible, which sold over 103 billion copies. His mother Shirley raised him alongside his 4 siblings, Sean, Jasmine, Charlotte and Neve. He welcomed a daughter named Emily in 2020. He was mentored by Nicole Scherzinger on the X Factor after singing a million songs. And the number 3 of this week is, he is a TV host for CBeebies programme. He is 48 years old. He's from Kent, England. He is BAFTA Children Award nominated presenter for his role as the title character in Minister Maker. He is also well known for his role as Mr. Like Baker in Grandpa in My Pocket. Oh, I used to like that, Grandpa in My Pocket, ages ago. And has often performed pantomime. He was a student at Canterbury Church University. He began his career as a president and sports reporter for BBC Radio Kent. He was a puppeteer on Playhouse Disney. He presented Digging It on GMA TV. He is from Gillingham, Kent, England. He has not yet revealed any details of his family members. He had James Bolam, both starred in Grandpa in My Pocket. 4th and final for this week is, he is a movie actor that lives in Brooklyn apparently. 78 years old. He became recognised for his role in Cobra Kai in 1985 in film First Blood Part 2 as a television actor, and he gained fame for his role in Cagney plus Lacey. No, it's not that Lacey for your information. He first experienced on camera on 1977 CBS series Code Out. He had a famous role on TV series Kangaroo and Lacey. He married Viana Ko in 1981. He made an appearance on the comedy show Toto starring Daniel To. And that's all for the birthdays this week, but I got one more, but a new feature that I decided to the birthday. So this week we'll be talking about Cobra Kai in America, martial arts comedy drama television series by Josh Hill and John Hurwitz. Ralph Macchio and William Sabaka reprising their respective role as Daniel LaRusso and Johnny Lawrence from the film series starring Cobra Kai alongside Courtney Hengeler, Exolo Madiofa, Tanner Bohana, Mary Moser, Jacob Bertrand, and lots more. So, Terry Silver from the original film series Cobra Kai re-examined the Karate Kid film as Johnny's redemption story, beginning with his decision to reopen the Cobra Kai Karate Dojo and the rekindling of his old rivalry with Daniel. Kai earned a high viewership on both YouTube and Netflix and received critical acclaim for his writing performance, acting sequence, humour, character developed and faithfulness to the film. It received numerous awards and nominations, with the third season being nominated for Outstanding Comedy Series at the 73 Primetime Emmy Awards. It got released on Netflix January 1st, 2021, and February the 13th, 2025. It's the last one. Also, Johnny Lawrence and Daniel DeLucia was on Karate Kid, for one, so you know where's Karate Kid film. I hope you enjoy my new feature, and this feature is Cobra Kai, and I'll be doing this 2, 3 or 4, maybe a little bit more, every week from now on. So tell me if you like it or not. And I'll be doing the answers after the new feature every week as well. So let's go. Answers for the birthday this week is, the first one was Bon Jovi. He is 63 years old and he's a rock singer, for one of you knows that. They got It's My Life and Living on a Prayer. Second of this week is James Arthur. He's a pop singer that is 37 years old and he sang Impossible. And the third of this week is Phil Gallagher. Is 48 years old, but CBeebies actor. And I used to love watching CBeebies in the olden days when I'm like 6 to 5 years old. It's really good.
We were all of them, weren't we?
What we, Ethan?
What we got?
Yeah.
And the fourth of this week is from Cobra Kai. That's why I got the Cobra Kai feature today, because it's from Cobra Kai. So, Martin Cove is John Cleese from Cobra Kai is 79 years old. Number for this week is well done. Last number for this week is Cobra Kai. And I hope you enjoyed the birthday and the new feature Cobra Kai. And I'll see you next week. And I'll tell you more about England, I think, next week. I don't know yet. It might be a surprise again, but let's see, shall we? There's a surprise, or maybe we're going to be talking about England or Scotland, I think. Also, maybe I'll be talking about music artists like Bon Jovi, James Arthur, maybe Springsteen, or Amy MacDonald. I'll tell you more about that next week then. So goodbye for now.
I've been cheated by you since I don't know when. So I made up my mind it must come to an end. Look at me now, will I ever learn? I don't know how, but I suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul.
Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything.
Oh, Mamma Mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again? My, just how much I missed you. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, now I really know. My, I could never let you go. I've been angry and sad about things that you do. I can't count all the times that I told you we're through. And when you go, when you slam the door, I think you know that you won't be away too long. You know that I'm not that strong.
Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything.
Whoa, Mamma Mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again? My, just how much I missed you. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, even if I say I might leave me now and never. Mamma Mia, it's a game we play. I doesn't mean forever. Mamma Mia, here I go again. How can I resist you? Mamma Mia, does it show again? Just how much I missed you. Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, now I really know. I could never let you go.
Here's Great American Railroad Journeys with Ethan. Welcome to Great American Railroad Journeys on the Radio Cape. All your rail fans, or foamers, in the US or Canada have been seeing a lot lately are huge freight trains that only GEVOs can pull because EMDs just don't have the horsepower. What's behind this? Well, it's Precision Scheduled Railroading, or PSR for short. Invented in 1993 by Hunter Harrison on railroads he used to control, like Canadian National, Illinois Central, Canadian Pacific, and CSX. It focused on aggressive cost-cutting, combining trains becoming longer and heavier, and laying off thousands of employees, including conductors and car inspectors. Experts and railroad workers knew that this business practice puts too many lives at risk, all for the sakes of pinching pennies at every corner and pleasing the shareholders in the stock market for big cash. Short line railroads never had that because apparently they focus more on safety and customer satisfaction over shareholders and profits. Even CSX had reported to reverse their PSR-induced changes to fix their business model. But Norfolk Southern, they just resorted to painting up a locomotive, pretending to be grateful to their staff and community, and laying off more people. Anyway, next up we've got Corey's feature, where Corey plays the music on the piano. I wonder what he's playing.
Thank you, Ethan, for transporting your new feature, Great American Railway Journeys this week.
You're welcome.
And now we are moving on to Corey's feature for this week. As you may have heard, Corey's got a new song coming up. But we're not going to tell you what song it is, because it's a surprise song, and he will introduce it to you, and he is going to play it for you. But for now, we're going to move on to one of his older songs, because he's not here with us this week. Take it away, Corey.
Today I'll be playing APT by Bruno Mars and Rosé.
Okay, take it away, Corey. Developer Woodland. Okay, so we are now back here on Radio Cab, and now we are moving on to our Guess a Year feature. But this week, from the next couple of weeks, this feature is going to be all about music. So, this year, Casey and the Sunshine Band's Harry Wayne Casey has seriously injured in an automobile in Miami, Florida. Pour him, head on.
Yeah.
Hope he recovers soon. And
also this year's Day of Ozzy, because the first assembly, a band played Written Lolly with Prince Wales of King Charles.
Also this year, there were 4 streets in Liverpool are named after the Beatles. And those driveways were called?
11 Dive, Buddha Dive, Lord Howard Close, Road.
And that was Paul McCartney Way, if you don't understand. Thank you, Max. And moving on.
Finally, the country singer Johnny Cash hosted Saturday Night Live
with Elton John and his classic band as musical guests. On his show, he recorded songs such as The Ring of Fire, Folsom Prison Blues, and many more of his famous songs.
We hope you got the year effect. The next song is Die With A Smile by Bruno Mars.
I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye, and I don't know what it all means, but since I survived, I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I'd wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you.
Lost in the words that we scream. I don't even wanna do this anymore, 'cause you already know what you mean to me, and our love's the only war worth fighting for.
Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I'd wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile.
If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you.
Right next to you.
Next to you.
Right next to you.
If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through,
I'd wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. I'd wanna be next to you.
Hey everyone, Ethan here with news from around the school. First up, Corey has composed a new song with broadcast singer Ellie Glenn. Second of all, Kiara in Conrad in A has had a beautiful baby girl called Margot. Then next up, Eban has had a son named Emerson. His name does sound familiar to me, so George H. Emerson. Fourthly, Keanu Joseph Corey had been performing in a NIV in Bangor, which was formerly known as St. Mary's Church. And lastly, it would be World Book Day on Fab Friday. And then we got rugby next week with Big J, tag rugby, just in case, from 3:15 to 4:15. And then we got Youth Club in Holyhead, which is from 6:30 to 8:30. The next song is Dancing in the Dark by Bruce Springsteen.
I get up in the Hey there, baby, I could use just a little help. You can't start a fire. You can't start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. Messages keep getting clearer. Radio's on and I'm moving round the place. I check my look in the mirror. Wanna change my clothes, my hair, my face, and I ain't getting nowhere. I'm just living in a dump like this. There's something happening somewhere. Baby, I just know that this. You can't start a fire. You can't start a fire without a spark. This gun's for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. You sit around getting older. There's a joke, here's some wine, and it's on me. I shake this world off my shoulders. Come on, baby, the laughs on me. Stay on the streets of this town, and they'll be carving you up alright. You say you gotta stay hungry. Hey, baby, I'm just a fast star tonight. I'm dying for some action. I'm sick of sitting around here trying to write this book. I need a love reaction. Come on, baby, give me just one look. We can't start a fire. Sitting around crying over a broken heart. This gun's for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. We can't start a fire. Worried about your little world falling apart. This gun's for hire. Even if we're just dancing in the dark. 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 Hey, baby.
Okay, so we just heard Dancing in the Dark by Bruce Springsteen here on Radio Kime. Now we got the answers for the Guess of the Year and the Mystery Song answers. So our music news for this year was 1982, if you got that correctly. And what was our 60 song gone?
Wish and Shout by the Beatles.
What was the song from the 70s this week, Ethan?
Crazy Horse by the Osmonds.
And the 80s gone?
Upside Your Head by the Duke Band.
Now the 90s song was River of the Dreams by Billy Joel. And last but not least, what was our naughty song, Ethan?
Rise Up by Blue.
I hope you enjoyed this logo quiz, the company quiz today. And now we got the winners of the logo quiz. The first one, on the 7th place, we got Kane's Pedwar with 14 out of 20 points. And Jason. Well done, Jason. The 6th place for this week is Sweaver and Mr. Hills, apparently. The 5th of this week is Can Have Die is with 17 out of 20 points. Oh, and Can All Die as well. Well done, Can All Die. Number 4 this week is Kent Ian. They got 17 out of 20, and Cynradd Ian A and Kent Dai. Well done, you. The third of this week is Cynradd Ian. They got 18 out of 20. Well done. And the second of this week is, of course, Miss Hughes. Hope you didn't Google. And the first one for this week is Kainty Now. They got 20 out of 20. Full house. I hope Dion don't cheat and Canal Die up there. I hope you don't. No Googling, remember. Canal Die want to put it on record. Do not cheat.
Yeah, Canal Die, don't cheat.
Exactly, Dion.
So I hope you got all those songs correctly, and our next song here now is, go on.
In Rock and Roll by the Birds About.
All my lazy teenage boasts are now high-precision ghosts, and they're coming round the track to haunt me. When she looks at me and laughs, I remind her of the fact I'm the king of rock and roll, completely. Up from suede shoes, my baby blues. Hot dog, jumping for Albuquerque. Hot dog, jumping for Albuquerque. The dream helps you forget. You ain't never danced a step. You were never fleet of foot, hippie. All the pathos you can keep for the children in the street, for the vision I've had is sweet wing. New broom, this room is sweet and clean. Hot dog, jumping for Albuquerque. Hot dog, jumping for Albuquerque. Sing that boy. Hot kicking dandy. Fine figure, fine cutter, fine figure, fine, oh yeah. Long-legged candy. Fine figure, fine cutter, fine figure, fine, oh yeah. Now my rhythm ain't so hot, but it's the only friend I've got. I'm the king of rock and roll, completely. All the pretty birds have flown. Now I'm dancing on my own. I'm the king of rock and roll, completely. Up from suede shoes, my baby blues. Hot dog, jumping for Albuquerque. Hot dog, jumping for Albuquerque. I said, boy, hot dog, jumping for
Hey everyone, Ethan here with news from around the world. First up, the Danish postal service PostNord is planning to stop delivery of letters. Holy moly, this will be bad news for the postal industry, or sort of. Next up, MPs in New Zealand are told to not complain about using New Zealand's Maori name. In order to learn out more, try translate New Zealand into Maori. Next up, the Harrisburg National Railroad Historical Society has completed an interactive signal exhibit where you can interact with the signal from your phone. I recommend you go see that signal, it's absolutely gorgeous. Next up, we got Max and Peter with the sports updates.
Hello, I Peter and Max to talk to the cameras. This is stuff new upstairs. So this week have set the deck for week 4. Which is from Stockton Whistle Wales and Saki and March. England was on the Sunday and that's a March. The first F1 race track be Australia's track hosting the local cars win the race this year. The cars which is the series that was a back woman as tennis to Roses. One go for 4. England versus Dunbar. Wales versus Amber. So that's it. This is the week. So say goodbye. Say goodbye to me here. And say goodbye back to the cameraman.
Ti'n misio torri fewn i'r tenar, ti'n gofyn gen I geiniog I sbario, I wario Golygu gyfrinachol las Sy'n achosi'n halon ni'n ar y dagras Pwyso ar y pilar di Sydd y sefyll flaen y dafar Ti'n llosgi yn y meddwl ni A nid y cwrw sydd yn siarad Dwi'n isio chdi yn fwy na ni A dos na neb dwi'n isio fwy na chdi Heno yn yr angl sydd Mae'r nos yn dechrau gafal Ti'n deitha fi pa fi'n cael Dy adael na'n gadael Na'n gysgod cawr o gastell fi Da ni'n gadael llaw i'ch law chi Heno yn yr angl sydd coch yn canu wrth y bar. A mae di bod yn noson hegar, mae'r merched hen ar ogia sgwar yn sgwario, mynd heibio. Mae'n everything i symud ymlaen, ond dwi isio aros yma efo chdi. Head on yr Anglesey, head on yr Anglesey.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
And that was Head On the Anglesey bandana on Radio Carib. Now we are moving on to our interview for this week. This week is Miss Carlisle from Cynrodriath. Well, Miss Carlisle, let's hear you.
Pnawn da hogia, diolch am y cynnig i ddod yma.
Yn iawn.
Hello.
So our first question here for you is, how long have you been working here in Carib?
Oh, gosh, dwi'n meddwl na hon, di'r 9fed flwyddyn. I think it's the 9th year for me this year.
Wow,
Whoa.
wey.
Dwi'n cofio chi, Dion yn ddosbarth fi blynyddoedd maith yn ôl.
Whoa.
What is your first album you bought?
O, dwi'n meddwl na un na i sobyn ar Smeiliaid neu Oasis oedd o blynyddoedd maith yn ôl. Dwi'n cofio pasio neu amser tigau pan ni'n gwneud arholiadau yn ysgol, ac mi ddoth yr album Oasis allan. Dwi'n cofio mynd i brynu hwnna wedyn.
Oasis is good, yeah, also?
Yeah, good band.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Which 3 things that would you take in a desert island and why?
Oh, it's a difficult choice. I would take a piano.
Yeah.
I would take photos of my family and friends. And I would take some water.
Mm. Yeah, that's an interesting one, isn't it, also?
Yes, it is.
Isn't it, Dawn?
Yeah.
I'm not sure I would take the piano with me, probably by helicopter, but yeah, I'm not sure.
If you won £1 million, what 3 things would you buy and why?
Wow. I would probably buy a house in a warm country.
Yeah.
I would give money away to my family and friends. And I think I would have one huge party.
Wow.
What hobby do you outside in Carib?
I like to go for walks. I like to take a dog for a walk. I like to be with my children, taking them to the different activities. And I like to meet up with friends and family.
Nice, yeah?
Yeah. And do you like to go and see
concerts and music?
Concert and music?
I do, yes. I do like to go and see music concerts. And I like to see my daughter because she sings in the choir as well, so I like to go and see her singing.
Wow.
What choir?
Anest sings in Cor Ieuenctid Môn, but I sing in Cor Ysgeifiog.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Which members of staff who you were with in school when you were younger?
I was in school the same age as Islwyn.
Yeah.
And I was in university the same time as Mrs. Anne Pierce-Jones.
Ah.
Islwyn, that's a new thing. He didn't tell us anything about that.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, Islwyn was well behaved in school.
Is he?
Was he?
He's different here.
Have you been to see any live artists recently?
I think my favourite one to see live was Elton John.
Yeah.
When I had my birthday, when I was 40, my sister bought me a ticket, so we went together to see Elton John. It was fantastic.
Elton John's good, isn't he, Elton?
Yeah, he is.
Isn't he, Don?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What classes have you worked in Carib?
Well, when I first started, I was in Cynradd 2, and then we changed to Cynradd 3, and then we changed to Cynradd 3A. We've been called Cynradd 3A for a few years now, so it's been an adventure.
Wow.
Are you excited to get a new student in your class?
Mae bob tro'n neis cael plant os bach newydd yn dod i'r dosbarth. Dwi'n licio cael lot o hwyl yn y dosbarth. Mae plant yn mwynhau.
The final question we've got here for you is, which song would you like to end off Radio Cab with this week?
I think this is the most difficult question of all because I like a lot of music, like a lot of different music. So it's a choice of Elton John or something like Bunkath or Eden. I think I'll choose Eden, Saneb Fel Ti, because I enjoyed listening to my daughter singing this song in the choir.
Okay.
Diolch, Ogia.
Diolch.
Diolch yn fawr.
O'n i orffen off wrth yma efo Eden, efo Saneb Fel Ti ar Radio Cab. Thank you for listening this week, and we'll be back next week with week 22 of Radio Cab, where we interview with very special guests next week. So bye from me, Guillaume.
Bye.
Bye.
And we'll see you next week. Take care for now.
Dyma'r drefn i ti a neb.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Cab, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
تحية Radio Cab.
Radio Cab.
تحية Radio Cab. Datblygiad.
You're listening to Radio Cam. Radio Cam.